Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can integrate Base44 with Monday.com. And this is actually going to be very easy because Base44 has a native ready-made integration inside Base44. So what are you going to do, guys? You're just going to go to your integrations menu in here. And as you can see, the first one that we have is Monday.com. If it doesn't appear in here, you can just like search for it, Monday, and here you have it, okay? So let's click on it. It says build apps that can read and write data from your Monday.com. Okay, so let's just click on it. And now you're going to click on this button. In your case, it's going to be orange. Use this integration. Okay, guys? So this, however, important to keep in mind that you need to have a builder plan or above. Okay, so you need to pay for these kind of integrations, to be possible. Okay, but just click on it. It's going to ask you to connect to your Monday account or to ask you for some API keys. And that's pretty much it. You're going to be able to basically configure different boards, workspaces, and what your app should do. For example, create items or update statuses, okay? So yep, that's pretty much it. And thank you so much, guys.